Hi friends! The columns function returns the first column number within a supplied reference, or if no reference is supplied, the function returns the number of the current column in the currently active Excel spreadsheet. Let's see how the columns function can be used in Microsoft Excel. Open the desired Excel worksheet. Here, for demo purpose, we are using a worksheet according to the columns function. Please check the web URL given in the video description below this video for complete details, that is, syntax and remarks. We are also showing you the description of each function we are going to use here. In the first example, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals columns, open parentheses, select a reference to a range of cells for which you want the number of columns, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It will show the number of columns in the reference range B1 to C4. In the second example, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals columns, open parentheses, open curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, semicolon, 4, 5, 6, close curly bracket, as number of columns in the array constant, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It will show the number of columns in the array constant. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching.